Every adventure starts with a good project. On the list for today, rear camper mounts for the truck. Let's knock them out.
Just you wait, listen for the storm. Hear the difference in the wind. When dark clouds form and start to turn all